Welcome back again to GT Garage, and to this video I'm just showing you through the windows that I've received. What's this smell, dog? Pepper? Not pepper. These have actually been sitting at my parents' place for 2 weeks since I ordered them. Now, just to give you guys an idea, these are seconds, so these aren't the A-class or first class window, what do you call them, teardrop camper window screen things, doors. These are seconds, and these are usually about $470 each. Yeah. Now, here's where this gets pretty interesting. Like I said, seconds, $470 each. I purchased one teardrop door and one slide window to go on the other side, and I've received, after it sitting at my parents' place for 2 weeks, I've received 2 teardrop doors. One, this is the driver's side one that I didn't order. That one's a passenger side one that I did order. I'm going to get that door and a window to go on that wall. Now, as you can see, I've clamped it over there. That's where I intended on putting the one door that I got, but I suppose I'm pleasantly surprised that I've got 2, because then I won't need that window. I think I'm okay with that. Be honest with you, I ain't even mad. Got tinted glass. Might just put that one in the passenger side and not have to put a window there, which is pretty good. So yeah, I thought I'd do this video. That's about the height that it's going to go. This one's needs a bit of die grinding on the lock to get it to latch properly. But remember, I bought them as seconds. So yeah, it's over, well, $470 each they're meant to be, and they gave me 2. So I'm fairly certain, I'll check my receipt there, my invoice, that I only paid about $500 odd, so I'm actually pretty stoked. So yeah, these are teardrop camper doors, lockable, and screen door, and tinted. They should fit on there beautifully. Anyway, that's all for now. Like and subscribe if these videos are any good or useful to you, or if you've got any questions or comments or advice, always happy to take it on board. Put in the comments below. And that's all for today. Catch you later.